Which drugs do drug addicts need to take to overcome their addiction? Overcoming addiction is a complex process. The withdrawal from drug addiction is painful, both physically and psychologically, as one is used to having certain drugs on their system. And over time of use, the body changes, and damage has been done to the entire health of a person. Drugs and treatments to use in overcoming addiction have no general answer. This depends on the situation, the severity of the addiction, and the necessary needs of an addict. Knowing the right treatments will only be known if you seek professional help. The right treatment that suits one's very needs in overcoming addiction matters, as this can be the only way that an addicted person can be successful in getting rid of their substance addiction. You can contact us to know more information. Our hotlines are always open 24/7 to cater to your inquiries and needs. Reach out to us now. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.